A Mexican Navy sailing vessel, currently on a global goodwill mission, collided with the Brooklyn Bridge in New York on Saturday. The impact snapped all three of the ship's masts and left several crew members hanging in the air by their harnesses as they awaited rescue. Tragically, two of the sailors later died from their injuries. New York City Mayor Eric Adams confirmed that while the historic 142-year-old bridge did not suffer significant structural damage, at least 19 individuals on board required medical attention. The exact cause of the crash is still under investigation.
Holy crap. You're gonna hit the dock. The camera! What is going on? Oh, what? Dude, the bridge is shaking out there. We gotta keep moving. This is insane. There's people up there. There's literally people. This is insane.